Jesus juice, Jesus juice, na 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 na, Jesus juice, Jesus juice, Jesus juice, na 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 na, Jesus juice. Oh, nearly finished. Chug, 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 chug.
Look, Jesus.
We're not allowed to speak very loud because we might make the village people.
Village people!
Wow.
You know, when we go up there, it's going to be called Permanent Learning Village.
What? What?
The high school, it's going to be called Permanent Learning Village.
Oh my God.
So it's going to be a village. So it's going to be...
They're building the village on this.
This is Gabriel's mouth, although you probably can't see because it's too dark. Look. Will you marry us? That is a nice little message that we've left for John and Miss McNaughton when they come back. I can't see, Katie. What? I can't see it. Oh my God, that is so scary. Look, we've decorated the mini bus and everything. I mean, look.
Well, like, Deku, can I take a guided tour?
Look, and there's even some on the seat in the front of the mini. You can't see